Hello everyone, so I hope you all are doing great. So let's start discussing the acne remedies. So we will continue our series of acne remedies, the therapeutics, which I have written in my book, the acute and emergency management through homeopathic therapeutics. So it's getting very well response all over the country. So let's start discussing it. So what is acne? So acne definition, it's a skin condition that occurs when hair follicles plugged with oil and dead cells. That was acne. And acne can be most seen in teenage and in women who suffer from menstruational abnormalities. In teenage, in general boys and girls, they just suffer from lots of acne, and especially in females who has menstruational abnormalities, they used to suffer a lot from acne. So what are the causes we have, and what are the symptoms that triggers the acne? That's very important. One is the hormonal channel, whether there is something type of hormonal channel that may aggravate. Certain medication, they also aggravate the acne. The diet can also aggravate, and the stress, if there is something psychological stress, that can also aggravate the acne and all. So the remedy first we discussed today, that is the carboanimal, a wonderful remedy for acne. It's basically made from the animal charcoal, and has huge sphere of action in acne, especially in acne rosea. There is very major PQ, major sphere of action, and the major PQRS of carboanimal is that there is scar which is left behind. There is always a scar, very unsightly scar, very dirty looking scar which is left behind. And acne, especially sacrophilous person which have lots of contact with sacrophilus, whenever they used to have infection in the lymph node that enlarged, that is the sacrophilous person we have, and it's worked miraculously in this type of person especially. So major rubric है acne scar remaining, and acne simplex with unsightly, very dirty type of scar that is remaining, along with calibromum and carboanimalis. This calibrom, the carboanimalis is always there. Another very important remedies for scar is copaiba. Copaiba, in photo if you go, face disfiguring, a single rubric, every remedy is there, that is copaiba. So copaiba also is a very important and interesting remedy for this type of cases. And another rubric that is sacrophilous person. In lots of sacrophilous person which has the affection in the lymph node, the carboanimal is the remedy to be thought of. So what should be the potency we should give? We should give the higher potency, 200 C, 3 doses or 4 doses or 1 M single dose, that we can think of giving. Another remedy, this is syphilinum, the major nosode we have. It's people with syphilitic virus, and effective remedy in the case of acne, which aggravates the warmth and hemorrhagic acne. So let's start studying the rubric. Pimples, warmth aggravate, any type of warmth. It's either from the season or from the food, either from something else. The acne aggravate, think of syphilinum. Major remedy we have in the complete repertory. And acne which bleeds, pimples which used to bleed solid offset, syphilinum is a major remedy, along with palladium and strontium comes. Syphilinum is a major remedy. And acne, when there is something type of bleeding in the face, think of syphilinum. Whether something nose bleeding is there, or something pimple expels out and start bleeding, think of syphilinum, my dear friend. And potency should be high enough, either 200 C or 1 M. 200 C if you are giving, give 3 or 4 doses, or 1 M single dose, and just wait and watch after that. So that's the major thing which I have to teach you here. And this is the book I have written, The Acute and Emergency Management Through Homeopathic Therapy by Dr. Rajarshi Mishra. In this book particularly, I have written about all the different types of acute and emergency management which we can do from homeopathic remedies, and we have written lots of remedies out here, and this will be a wonderful book, and it's getting very good response from some of the well-known homeopathic doctors all over the country. So this book you can purchase it down, and I want to show reference to all my teachers who taught me so much. You can contact to me at nishant25smilebox@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.